resident.
Yes.
The entry of Exim Bank will promote trade and investment between Kenya and India. As a fully owned Government of India financial institution, the bank will also help deepen the partnership that the two countries have developed over the past 6 decades. I am pleased to note that Exim Bank is already providing concessional lines of credit to Kenya's enterprises in priority sectors including energy, textiles and apparel, and agriculture. It is our expectation that besides providing finance, Exim Bank will create quality jobs and facilitate transfer of skills to our young graduates who are looking for challenging opportunities. Kenya is the financial hub in every sense of the word in this region. Out of the banks that we have in the East African countries, all the way to DRC, to South Sudan, Kenyan financial institutions have a population of 552 branches in the entire region. So basically, the financial infrastructure in the entire East African region is on the shoulders of Kenya. And your entry just consolidates that position and gives us an opportunity to work together to continue providing financial services in the region.
I would like to tell our friends in Kenya that the setting up of the Exim Bank in Kenya is an endorsement of the importance of Kenya as a regional gateway, as an economic hub for this part of the world. And the Indian Exim Bank has reached the same conclusion as many other global institutions, corporations, and banks that an Africa strategy requires a presence in Kenya. We in India believe in the future of Kenya and the vision that has been laid out by President William Ruto and his government.